So after I installed the headlights, the fog lights, and the LEDs, the car just looks awesome and gives the best light output at night. But let's start from the beginning. When I bought my SRX, I assumed I'm going to do an HID kit upgrade, and actually I did it, and that didn't work. The light output still sucked. So I decided to do a little bit of research, and it turns out a lot of owners are complaining about the headlight output. And it seems that the problem is not with the bulbs or HID kit, but actually with the design of the headlights, and it's a really poor quality. Therefore, in order to really fix the problem, you have to get a new headlights, and that's what I did. I got myself some headlights, fog light kit, and LEDs. So the most important component of this entire job was getting the headlights, and as you can see, they arrived just in time for me to be able to record this video. So let me get them to my garage, let me set the cameras, and let's start recording the video. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I guess that's the last 2 boxes.
Hey guys, this is Mecowhy on Mecowhy YouTube channel. So today I want to do a small project on my car. Headlight upgrade. I'll be installing fog lights, putting LED bulbs in my headlights. Still waiting on the LEDs for the fog lights. So depending when I get them, I may put them in later. We'll see. Well, anyway, as you can see, my garage is one big, enormous mess. And this is the result of just having kids and pretty much not touching it since spring. So as you can see, we have my kids' bikes, we have a whole bunch of stuff of items that we tried to sell on the garage sale that never sold, so it's just sitting there. So first we have to clean this all up, and then we'll the car in and we'll start working on the headlights. So let's just take care of this mess first. And boom, just like this, we have a nice clean garage. Actually, this is another day, as you can tell, different t-shirt. And yeah, we still have some boxes with the headlights in the garage. I'll be using them to pack the original headlights, but as you can see, we'll be able to work. So let's look what we have right here. I have the new headlights. Those are aftermarket headlights of Amazon. We will use those. I will replace all the bulbs with the one from the original headlights. I just don't trust any Chinese no-brand bulbs. I better swap them with, you know, the good stuff that I have in my car ahead of time. What we have here is my halogen kit. So we have, you know, the fog lights. We have the grills. We have all the wiring. This is aftermarket kit, so it has with a separate switch. It does not wire up to the OEM switch, and if I was to use the OEM switch, I would need to have the car reprogrammed at the dealership, so I decided to go with aftermarket. And we have some LED lights for both the headlights and the halogens. Okay, so let's get the car in and let's start the work. Okay, so we replace the high beam, we replace the turn signal, we replace the LED. Now, what we want to make sure before we permanently install this is that everything works. So I'm going to throw the single light on the car for the time being. I got some errors because I had the bumper off and the parking sensors are uninstalled. But I want to turn on the car. I want to see if the headlights is working, if the turn signal is working, and if the high beam is working. Actually, one test didn't work. Apparently in my garage is too dark to turn the daylight running lights on. So I guess for now I would have to trust that it works. We'll see. Let's do the other headlight. Headlight number 2. This is the aftermarket. This is our factory headlight. So let's do it. Can you hear it? Those are the fans in the LEDs cooling down the lights. Okay, let's pull it out because I didn't push the connector here all the way in. Okay, locked. Maybe before we get this light installed, let's wire the car for the fog lights. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is our fog light kit. We have 2 grills. We have, what else? One fog light, another fog light. We have some general installation guide, but this is useless. We have switch. This switch goes inside the car. And here's our wiring kit. Left fog light, right fog light, perfect. Relay, fuse. We have, this is, I guess, accessory. This would allow us to turn off the fog lights together with turning off the car. I think we should go underneath the headlight. Yep. Place here. Fog lights, LEDs, and the way this stuff installs, it's the same way as on the headlights. You want this ridge to be perpendicular, so actually this should be fairly easy. As you can see, right here.
Ta-da! That's the big reveal. This is the actual results after upgrading the headlights, you know. Compared to what you just watched a few minutes ago at the beginning of the video, this is a huge improvement, especially when I turn the fog lights on, which I'll do now. The road is super bright, I can see everything. It was worth all the money that I spent, and actually that wasn't that much. Between the headlights, the fog lights, and the LED bulbs, I spent a little bit over $400, so it's not that much, and for the results it's really worth the money. I'm actually looking forward to drive my car at night. Previously the dark light output was giving me headache. Right now I enjoy driving at night. I'm looking forward, you know, when I can drive it at night and really view the road this well. Anyway, that's all for tonight. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like what I do, consider subscribing, or not, just do whatever you want to do. This is a free country after all. Thank you, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one.